Hey, Dorian. Welcome to the SAINTCON hallway.
Yeah. I don't know what to say. I mean, I like it so far. It's my first year. I guess it's day 3.
First year at SAINTCON?
Yeah.
What's been your favorite part?
My favorite part, probably doing the vault challenge because I broke through the door. I mean, I didn't, like, break through the door.
Just like straight Kool-Aid Man?
Not Kool-Aid Man.
Smashed right through it?
I just did the code stuff. It was actually really easy. I don't know why. But
was it 1, 2, 3, 4?
It wasn't 1, 2, 3, 4. You had to press like 2 and 4 for like 10 seconds and then press 3 and then open the door.
How'd you figure that out?
How'd I figure that out? I never reveal my secrets. Or you can just look at the manual. Who knows?
Hey, that's actually the right way to do it. Go after the default creds or maintenance access. That sounds like a very smart thing to do.
Yeah.
So you went and wrecked some of the vault?
Yeah.
What else have you done? Any challenges?
LED challenges. I tried doing the AppSec challenge where you log into somebody's account without using the actual thing. It was very, very like, I don't know. I don't think I could have done it. But then again, it's like the simple things I could do.
I bet you could do it.
I could.
Just got to just try to keep trying. You know what you need to tell them? Hey, man, I really want to figure this out, but I'm not sure I can, and they're going to help you, and you're going to get it.
Yeah. I also did the lockpicking challenge, and I got through one of the, the handcuffs, and I don't know why. It felt like a lot easier to do because I did it with the safety pin on where you couldn't, like, open the thing.
Yeah.
You had to, like, do the thing, go through the safety pin, pop it out, and yank the bolt back, and then voila, done.
Voila. Just that easy. That's how you get out of handcuffs.
Yeah.
Voila. Soldering?
Soldering? Oh, yeah, I did a lot of soldering. In fact, I did some for this. I got the goggles, the shirt, keyboard, this stuff. Coolie cools. I don't know if the cameras can see it.
Did you get any, get your lights working and get them blinking?
Yeah, it works. I have a lot more. I just haven't put them on yet because, like, I'm lazy and stuff like that. I don't know.
Doesn't sound lazy. You've been doing all the challenges.
Oh, yeah. Do you mean the incident stuff? For this?
Oh, attacking? Yeah.
Yeah, I did, like, a lot of that. It was actually very easy.
Some people just finished the game, I was seeing, so...
Yeah, I finished it. Oh, actually, not finished it. I still have to do Incident 7. But, like, I'm running Social Engineer. I don't know why. It's just so, like, just easy to go through. Just the HTML stuff is, like, a bit hard. Like, that one boss.
All right.
Oh, we already have ours. Sorry, there's a guy with the ice cream stuff. You can't say no to ice cream.
Nice. Guess you can't. First time to Utah?
Actually, no. I think this is my 3rd time to Utah. The other 2 times, the first time I went to Mount Zion, and they have really good stuff. We went for the 3-hour ride for the horses because there was like a lot of horseback riding.
Yeah.
And it was super fun. And then we went the 1 hour. My dad hates riding on horses. I don't know why. What's even funnier is, like, he says that it'll hurt the animal even though you eat, like, beef and stuff, and my dad goes hunting. Like, you do realize hunting kills the animal, right?
Right.
It's crazy.
Crazy. What are your hobbies? What are the things that you like to do?
Ooh, sometimes I like to play a lot of video games.
You mean sometimes or all the time?
I guess I would say all the time, but I also do have other hobbies too. So basically a lot of the games I play are first-person shooters, Call of Duty, Siege, other like games like that. I don't know. I just like playing those type of games. Sometimes I'll play like horror games, Outlast or Callisto Protocol. But yeah.
What do you think you want to do like 5 years from now? What do you think you want to be?
5 years from now, I don't know. Honestly, I'd probably want to, like, I wouldn't say work for the military, but, like, do military stuff, like working for cybersecurity on that side.
Oh, so you're in the right place. You want to do some hacks.
Mm-hmm.
That sounds fun. If I said some terms to you, will you tell me what they mean? And if you don't know, guess?
Yeah, sure.
What are POGs?
Pods? Or
POGs. P-O-G-S.
Depends, like the gear or...
Just tell me what you think it means, and if
I think
not,
probably
take a
like
guess.
a gear.
Sure, that's a great answer. What is a rotary phone?
Oh, rotary phone. Oh, I used one before. So it's like one of those phones that they used to use for what do you call it? Like ordering a pizza or something. You have the thing. Do. You have to go like turn it as many times if you want to get the number and stuff like that. My mom, she has a payphone for her thing that she did. She did the question mark cube for DEF CON. And I think she should do one here too.
That would be cool.
Have people try and solve the question mark cube. But then again, that thing is like massive to put together. And it takes a lot of time.
Right. A lot of effort.
Time is money, man.
Time is money. What is a collect call?
Collect call? Ooh, I don't know. Is it? I think it's like something from like a Zoom or Skype or something like that.
Yeah, that works. Do you know what, like, if I said this term, tell me what you think it means. If I said, be kind, rewind.
I know the be kind. Oh, like think before you do things, I assume.
Sure, that works. Sounds good. What is Betamax?
Ooh, I don't know what that is. Betamax, I think probably like... It sounds like something that people would use to like... They say that they have it in the beta mode, but they're already like releasing it or something like that.
Yeah, that sounds great. What is Napster?
Napster? I feel like that's some sort of like AI or something that people use, like ChatGPT or something. I don't know.
Great. Yeah, that works. It's good. Good. What is burning a CD?
I guess lighting a CD on fire.
Lighting it on fire. Sounds great.
I don't think it is what it means. I think it's like not using CDs and like using like streaming services or something. Like dropping out of the old, going into the new. I just took that literally.
Yeah, I love it. What do you think MySpace is?
MySpace? I think I've used MySpace before. Actually, no. I think it's like a VR game where you have to do like, not really a VR game, but like, no, I'm thinking of Altspace VR. Sorry. It's like an office thing where people like talk. Like it was really popular during the pandemic because people couldn't really talk to each other that much. Everyone understands that.
I'm good with that. What is AIM?
AIM? I don't know. It's probably, I mean, I know what AI means, like artificial intelligence.
If I said AIM followed up by ASL.
I think for when I said AIM, maybe artificial intelligence maintenance.
Ooh, I like it.
I mean, I don't know.
What's the other half of that? What do you think ASL is? It's related to AIM.
I don't know what ASL is.
What's your guess?
I really don't know. I don't think I can make a guess.
Fair enough. We'll let that one sit. What about what do you think Y2K is?
Y2K? I think it's like something that people use, like Linux or something, like another operating service.
What are you running at your home? Y2K, bro. Like that? No, I got my own hardcode distro called Y2K.
All right, bro. You're like, that's actually funny, but why? You're just dissing on me because I didn't know what Y2K is. I mean,
I like that's what a distro is, a Linux operating system.
Oh, so I was right.
No dissing. I'm just saying, like, what are you running? I'm running Y2K, bro. What you running?
Probably Windows, because Windows is built different.
All right, I got one last one for you. If you were to, like, degauss a monitor, what do you think that means?
Taking it apart and failing to put it back together again.
Works for me. Well, thank you for coming to Utah. Thanks for coming and joining us in the SAINTCON hallway. I hope you have a...
Right. Also, another thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
May I interview you?
I'm not even on camera, so sure. What question do you have for me?
So, how long do you think I've been going here for?
At SAINTCON?
Yeah, like before I said it was my first year here.
Well, I only know because I know your mom, and I know it's her second year, so it would be 1 or 2 years would be my guess.
Yeah, it's only my first year here. I mean, it's really fun. It reminds me a lot of DEF CON, but it's like people are a lot more nicer, and they actually know what they're doing. Honestly, what I think also, I'm also probably going to, a lot of the DEF CON people are probably going to get mad at me for this, and I know I'm going to be dissing on them for this, but I prefer DEF CON because, or not DEF CON, SAINTCON, because you can push people into a pool without it being called assault, apparently.
Who are you pushing into a pool?
I don't know, my friends. Like,
did you get an assault charge in Vegas? What is?
I wish I didn't, but I mean, I didn't get one. I hope not. But like, dumbest things ever, dude.
I personally call SAINTCON my accessible DEF CON. And that means it's a lot like DEF CON to me. There's a lot of family and chatting, but you can do things. Like DEF CON, I want to do stuff, but there's like a 3-hour wait to get to a soldering station.
What's even funnier is I want to be a goon at DEF CON.
Yeah?
Yet you have to be 18, and there's like a really long wait line.
Right.
I want to be a sock goon because those guys are actually pretty cool. I'm not even lying to you. There's this one guy, Faz. He's from Australia. Really cool guy. He went to B-Sides. You probably heard of that. Probably not.
Yeah, B-Sides Las Vegas.
Yeah. I feel like B-Sides is like the more relaxing, chill version of DEF CON. Because like.
We got a B-Sides here too. B-Sides Salt Lake.
Wait, really?
Yeah, it's in February.
Oh, it's in February. Okay. I think probably more people should go to B-Sides Las Vegas and B-Sides Salt Lake City or something. Because, I don't know, man.
They are chiller. I do enjoy them.
Yeah, because, like, we have a thing called, like, a Q branch where we just basically help people and stuff. There's one called an info booth and a lot of vendors. The only thing I really like doing it, besides, is terrorizing the vendors. And by terrorizing, I mean, like, ask them, why would I buy your service or something like that? And explain.
Sell me this pen.
And how much, if I were to like try to buy your services, how much would you sell me it for? And like that stuff. And it makes it literally, some of them were like literally sweating on that question.
Right. Gotta get these sales AEs and these sales engineers, gotta put them to work.
Exactly, because you can't just sit around on your phone like, oh, okay, this, that, dude. Like, no, you gotta.
XDR.
You have to look at them like straight in the eye. Like I'm looking
AI.
at that camera right there, straight in the eye, and telling them this and that and that and this and all that. Like, okay, well, how much are you selling me this thing for, that thing for, da 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 da.
It depends.
It depends, really.
All right, well, I appreciate you joining me in SAINTCON Hallway. Thanks for asking me some questions. Thanks for letting me ask you some questions.
All right.
And enjoy the rest of your week.
Yep, have a good day.